Hello all, welcome to Universal Group of Institutions, Bengaluru. Welcome to our very special and a unique series where we have been discussing the preliminary question paper, that is the paper 1 of CSP 2025. If you have not watched our previous video where we have discussed question number 60, please go and watch it. In this particular video session, we are going to discuss the question number 61. So suppose the revenue expenditure is 80,000 crore and the revenue receipts of the government are 60,000 crore. Okay. The government budget also shows that the borrowings are 10,000 crore and the interest payments of 6,000 crore. Which of the following statements are correct? One is a statement related to the revenue deficit, another is a statement related to fiscal deficit, another is a statement related to the primary deficit. So let us look at one by one. So he is saying the revenue deficit is at 20,000 crore. We know what is the revenue deficit formula. Revenue deficit is nothing but revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts. So revenue expenditure is 80,000 minus the revenue receipts is 60,000. So the answer of that is the revenue deficit is 20,000 crore. So the first statement is true. Next, the fiscal deficit is 10,000 crore. So let us understand what is a fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit is nothing but is equal to total expenditure. This expenditure consists of revenue expenditure plus capital expenditure minus revenue receipts plus non-debt capital receipts. That means of the capital receipts, we are going to consider only non-debt capital receipts. That means we are excluding debt capital receipts. Debt capital receipts are nothing but the that indicates the borrowing. What is the amount that we are borrowing, where we have, and also shows the borrowings as 10,000 crore. So he's also saying that, the fiscal deficit is also 10,000 crore. So this statement is also true. Let us look at the third statement. There is the primary deficit, which is a 4,000 crore. What is the deficit? Primary deficit is nothing but fiscal deficit minus interest payment. So what is the answer here? The fiscal deficit is 10,000 minus 6,000 is the interest payment. So the primary deficit is equal to 4,000 crore. That's also true. So the answer is D. See, the public finance is a very important concept from the preliminary point of view. So this question, I put it in something called as the easy itself, because very straightforward question they have asked. So that's it in this particular video session. Do stay tuned where we are going to discuss the question number 62.